Abhayar says, தாயி சிறந்த கோவினமில்லை, தந்தை சொல் மிக்க மந்திரமில்லை. Need to digest the meaning of that saying from Abhayar. தாயி சிறந்த கோவினமில்லை. There is no temple, there is no shrine, there is no deity that is more potent or powerful than your biological mother. This biological mother, she sustains you. She ensures that you have all the things that are necessary for you to come to the age that you are now in standing. Whenever you were in difficulties, that mother has always, your biological mother has always stood with you. She's never ever neglected you and said to you, you know what, find your own way. She'll never do that. That's not in her nature to do that. She will always be standing there with you. She will shower you with love. She will shower you with hugs. She will shower you with kisses. She will always try and put you right at the pedestal, top of the pedestal. That is a biological mother. In all your life's journey, whether you went through difficult times, whether you're going through good times, your biological mother will always be there. Sorutti valattai, paal vutti valattai. In your infancy stages, she fed you milk from her bosom. And as you grow up, came to 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, she mashed that potato, she mashed that rice, put it to the sorutti valattai. But how many of us have ever gone to your mother and said to your mother, thank you for bringing me up to this age? We very, very seldom do that. At this juncture here, to this family, we're going to say to you, say thank you to your biological mother. Thai siranda kovinamille. To complete that phrase, Tandai sol mikka mandiramille. There is nobody that's going to put you onto the path of righteousness with the exception of your father. Your father is your provider. Your mother might be bringing you up into this world. She may have nourished you, she may have fed you, but your father is the provider. He'll go out into the job market, he'll work, he'll pay for your house, he'll pay for your education, he'll make sure you get to the highest level possible. And that is your father. And he will always keep you in check. He'll discipline you. He'll make sure that you are treading the path of righteousness. Those two individuals, you will never see Muruga in your life. You will never see Lord Namashivaya in your life. You will never see Jesus Christ in your life. You won't even see Allah in your life. But you will see two deities that are there with you all the time. A lot of us forget to ensure that they have a special place in your life. That is why if you look around us today, you look at all these mishaps that's taking place around us. Because we lost the plot. We have actually lost the plot. And the plot starts with your parents. Next dedication is to the biological mother. அம்மானி எங்கள் அன்பான தெய்வம், அருமை எங்கள் அம்மாவே, அழகியை எங்கள் அம்மாவே. அம்மானி எங்கள் அன்பான தெய்வம், அருமை எங்கள் அம்மாவே, அழகியை எங்கள் அம்மாவே. அழகியே எங்கள் அம்மா நீ